Here's the before of my Emax rebuild. She's clapped. It's gonna all look brand new. The chassis cracked right here. It's gonna look sweet. This is the before. Yeah. Got the box of goodies right here. Well, that's the before.